back to another little video. I always love to stop at a few places along my ride and have a coffee and a cake. And generally, I always kind of go for a carrot cake. So this idea was planted by a friend of mine, and I'm actually gonna try and fuel this whole ride just on carrot cake. We're out rolling now, and yeah, we had a bit of a sleep in this morning. It's only just gone 9:15 in the morning, so yeah, pretty late rollout for someone like myself. First stop for a bit of fuel today is going to be out at Currumbin Valley, just before we climb over Mount Tomingwin. Get some fuel to get over the mountain, and then after that I'll show you where the next fuel station will be. I've never done a food challenge before, and I'm pretty excited because I really do love carrot cake. Pasture & Co is the first stop, so let's go and get a little cheeky bit of carrot cake. We are on. I'm gonna. It doesn't matter what you get. Oh, they're so good. Good man. Can I please get a takeaway slice of the carrot cake, please? Yeah. Ooh, 14 bucks.
That's pretty big. We'll just put your name.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, awesome.
Thank you.
Thanks, man. Jeez, we've been waiting a hot minute for this. It's come up to like 17 minutes for this takeaway cake. I know it's a little bit busy, and I guess it is kind of morning time, but come on, over 17 minutes for a slice of takeaway is pretty absurd. All right, we had to wait a solid hot minute to get that cake. Almost 20-minute wait for a takeaway, but let's see if that wait was worth it with a little grand reveal. Ooh, look at that. Walnuts. All right, let's get this down because we've got to get back on the road. Lots of bit of time. Not bad. I just hope I can keep this down when I climb up Mount Tomingwin because I've eaten a lot of food. All right, last bite. This is gonna be real silly. I'm already struggling after the first one. Oh shit. All right, we've got the first cake down. Many Ks to go. Gotta get up a mountain now. Gotta try and keep it down. This guy hasn't even looked. Look at this, fucking straight out. Thanks for coming. BMW drivers, eh? Seriously. We're gonna ride out to Chillingham. Beautiful ride out there, and they have a killer carrot cake out there. Been going out there for years with my dad and friends and family, and I just thought, you can't do a carrot cake ride without going to Chillingham, so that's where we're going next. To the top. Black cockatoos, and I've just seen some as I'm riding. I've just pulled over and just wanted to stop and take it in and appreciate it. That's so cool. Never really see them just sitting like that. Definitely hit that point in my life in my mid-30s where I'm absolutely fascinated by birds. And then I'm wearing Lycra on the weekends. This is peak 30s. All right, let's get back on the road. Right, I didn't really get to chat much along that straight because there's a lot of cars around and just had to concentrate, and yeah, sometimes you just gotta prioritize your safety first. $7 for a slice of carrot cake, half the price of Crumbins one. I'm gonna get a slice of the famous carrot cake, please.
Sure.
And a long black as well, please. Thank you. Awesome. Thanks so much. All right, second carrot cake of the day. We're at the Chillingham post office. Famous slice of cake, this one. Look at that. The perfect carrot cake in my eyes. So good. Getting sick of carrot cake. Right, second carrot cake down, and I'm so full. I don't know if I can get another one down today. I think that might be it. 2 big slices. Anyway, we're gonna turn around now and make our way towards getting back home, I think. It's been a solid, 50 Ks. And be 50 Ks-ish home.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt
Welcome to Australia!
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake
Hey, buddy.
a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away.
Oh, told you this before. I paid my bloody tax. Oh, you little cheeky bugger.
As you fade away. As you fade away.
It's the last climb for the day. It's nice. Section, this one. Oh, a little knackered. That's the climb done. It's starting to hurt. I'm feeling flat as. It's a ride done with 95 Ks on that ride. Pretty knackered. Solid. Definitely feeling it. Time to put the feet up, have a hot shower.
Tell me what's wrong.